So, it's like midnight. I'm editing the vlog from yesterday. I'm gonna do that for like another half an hour, do what I can. I'm gonna go to bed, wake up, go across the street. So, the clips to my vlog are still being uploaded, and I have some extra time and some helium. So, I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with that.
Hey guys.
So, I woke up at like 10, very tired, and it is now like 10:30. I'm over across the street at my grandparents' with my two little people.
What are you doing?
And we are going to go swim
And toots.
Nope. Okay, family's left. I have to go home and work to clean up the party. So instead of going with the people I was going to go with tonight, I'm going with my cousin and his dad, so my uncle. And we're gonna be going stupid cars. So we're gonna be going to Clio because they have the best fireworks show. I found a problem when I was editing the vlog last night. I had it like in low light condition. It wasn't that good. So I ordered a special thing and another special thing to improve the quality. Basically all it's going to do is attach a little thing to the top of my camera. So on one side it's going to have a microphone, and then the other side is going to have a light, so that I have good audio and good lighting. It's going to be perfect. So I have the folding chair and I'm completely ready to leave. So we made it to the firework display, and not going to record anything because there's no snow cones. I'm still recording like the fireworks show. I'm just not recording anything else besides the fireworks show.
I'll make a brand new start of it.